And we're live again. Thank you, thank you. Okay, wala pa tayong viewers. So okay. So anyway, wala man tayong viewers ngayon. Let's just go on kasi they can replay this again later. They can watch us play a game. So we have 14 viewers. Hi to our 14 viewers. Thank you for those who still stay tuned in. Thank you. At standby lang kayo dyan kasi you have a chance to win a special gift coming from Brother Didoy later. Okay? So let us have a game first with our special guests. Again, let me reintroduce them. Sister Liza of the Awesome Kids Ministry, Sister Beng of the Singles Ministry, Brother Troy of the Couples Ministry, and of course, the builder, Feast Mall of Asia, Brother Didoy. So our first game is called Fun Ubusan. Okay, so as a category game, ubusan tayo ng mga categories. Kung wala ka na maisip, within 5 seconds, you're out. Kapag nagkamali ka ng sagot, you're out. Kapag naulit ka ng sagot, you are out. Okay? So we have already played this game. Nanan natin to. So wag na tayo magmaang-maangan pa. And our first category is... first category is... for Fun Ubusan is Christmas songs in Tagalog. Okay? Christmas songs in Tagalog. You may feel like singing it, bahala kayo. Pwede nyo namang banggitin lang yung title, ano ka na, winner ka na doon. Or mention a couple of lyrics, okay na yon. Basta importante, it's Christmas song in Tagalog. Okay? Umpisahan
Pwede mag-research?
Ha? Wala nag-google-google. Okay? So ano natin to? Umpisa natin sa ating almost music ministry head, Sister Beng. Go.
Ang taas ko sumapit.
Very good. Brother Didoy. 1, 2.
Salamat sa liwanag mo muling
Okay, good.
kakulay. Star ng Pasko.
Yeah, good. Sister Liza.
Pasko na syntax.
Aba, romantic. Brother Troy. 1.
Sana ngayong Pasko.
Romantic din. Sister Beck. 1, 2.
Hi, Mr. Captain Angelans.
5.
Captain Angelans.
You're out, Sister Beng. Okay, standby ka lang dyan muna. Maglaro na lang ngayon si Brother Didoy, Sister Liza, and Brother Troy for the winner of this round. Okay? Our next category is... Hi, Joy Dumas. Hi. Our next category is...
Sorry, I have kids.
It's okay. Mga bagay o mga karakter na makikita sa Belen. Mga bagay or karakter na makikita sa Belen. Okay? Start natin with Brother Troy. Go.
Baby Jesus.
Jesus. Sister Liza.
Mama Mary.
Mama Mary. Brother Didoy.
Daddy Joseph.
Of course, Daddy Joseph. Brother Troy.
Dayami. Dayami ba yun?
Sige, may dayami. Lagi na nasa pilan yan. Sister Liza.
Manger.
Manger. Brother Didoy.
Animals.
Animals. Okay. Lahat ngayon ha. So wala na magkakaw.
Parang hirap.
Ha? Inangkin niya lahat. Okay, Brother Troy. 1.
Three Kings. Inangkin ko na rin.
3 Kings. Sister Liza. Bala.
Star.
Ha?
Star.
Star. Brother Didoy. 1.
Yung 3 gifts ng 3 kings.
Oh! Gold, frankincense, and
Ubusan.
Troy.
Ayan!
yung shepherds, yung farmers, yung unang pumunta, inangkin ko rin.
Yung mga farmers talaga. Wrong answer. Shepherds.
Shepherds, sinabi ko.
Ha?
Sige na nga.
Okay, sorry. Wrong answer. Thank you, Troy. Okay, thank you, Troy. Okay, and we're down to our last 2. Isa lang pwede manalo dito. Okay, and of course, hindi ang manalo dito ay hindi hindi galing kay Brother Didi kasi kung siya manalo dito, iba to. Okay, ito ay Noche Buena package. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari dito, ha? Okay, Noche Buena package to. Okay, hihingin ko pa lang kay Dave ang pondo. Okay, so... okay, so Our last
Approve
category
yan, approve.
is this. Medyo mahirap-hirap to, ha? Okay, reindeer ni Santa.
Oh my gosh.
Okay? Reindeer ni Santa. 7 lang yan or 8. So, start natin. Lisa.
Siyempre si Rudolph.
Rudolph. Brother Didoy. Two.
Prancer?
Prancer. Yes. Lisa.
Blitzen.
Blitzen. Brother Didoy. 1.
Dancer ba yun? Dancer and Prancer.
Dancer. Yeah. Lisa. 1.
Con,
2.
Honor.
Ano? Sino yan? Sino si Connor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi si Connor, si Donner.
Si Donner.
Donner Cruz. So congratulations, Brother Didoy. You are the winner of this fun ubusan. Ang galing. So meron ka noche.
Ito na lang.
Ha?
Donate mo.
Donate natin. Sige, donate natin ha. Donate natin sa ating siguro mga viewers na makiki-join sa atin ngayon.
Yeah. Just
Okay,
pick
sige.
one. Sino ang nakita mo dyan?
Yes,
Sino-
viewers, it's your turn to win. Okay, so we have prepared here 4 questions. Actually, 3 lang, pero sige, gagawin natin 3. So we'll be giving you a differently worded Christmas song title. Differently worded siya. So instead of halimbawa, ang Pasko ay sumapit, we may say, baka i-rename natin siya as Yuletide has arrived. Ganun siya. Okay? So, iba yung pagkaka-word niya. So, paunahan to na makakuha ng tamang sagot at ang unang mananalo ay, the first 3 winners will win the prize coming from Brother Didoy, yung books niya. Okay? Book or books?
Yeah, I'll give one book. One whole again book.
Okay, a book, one whole again book sa mga mananalo sa tatlong to. And the last one na makakuha ng tama, siya naman yung i-donate na Noche Buena package. All right? And of course, ang makakuha lang ng premyo ay marirecognize po ng ating DTI representative na si Sister Tet. Okay? Siya lang po. Okay? So medyo paunahan to or una makita. So galingan nyo dito. Okay. So ang unang tanong, viewers lang to. So Brother Troy, Brother Didoy, Sister Lisa, Sister Beng, don't answer, ha? So mic's off. Okay. So, yung una, 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. without noise. Anong kanta kaya to? Ayan. May nagmamouth na. So, good luck, guys. Sabi ni Troy, ni Troy Christopher Escartin. Sounds familiar ang name. Okay. Sino sa ating mga viewers, ano ang title nito? Anong kayang Silent Night, Holy Night? Jeff, isa lang yan. 2 words lang yan. Jeff, 2 words lang yan. Hindi 4 words. You have to get it right. Okay? Jeff. So, sino kaya? Sa comment section, congratulations! May nanalo na, I think. Para ako ang DTI representative pala, no? Tet, meron na bang nanalo? Okay? So sumasagot si Tet. Sabi niya, yes. Gumaganon siya. At narinig ko lang siya sa aking in-ear, what do you call this? Speaker. Thank you. Okay, thank you. May nanalo na po. Next natin na question ay this. Next. Anong Christmas song title ito? Minuscule Hamlet in the Far East. Minuscule Hamlet in the Far East. Aba, anong Christmas song ito? Minuscule. Ano ba isipin ng minuscule? Ito ba ay malaki? Ito ba ay malaki? Or ito ba ay maliit? So kung ito ba ay malaki, maliit, think of a Christmas song na merong malaki or maliit, ganon. Minuscule Hamlet in the Far East. Clue na yun, ha? Sige na nga, para dali. Maliit. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Anybody from our viewers here in the comment section, mukhang nahihirapan sila, wala pang sumasagot. Okay. Congratulations to our first winner, Fame O'Malley. Ipipm ka namin mamaya regarding your details para maibatid namin sa inyo ang premyo, ang yung Christmas gift. Lakers say, Little Drummer Boy, Jeff, malapit-lapit na. Nakuha mo na yung little. O yan na, clue natin is little. Oh, little. Oh, little. Oh, little. Ayan na, mina-mouth na ni Brother Didoy. Oh, little. Oh, little town. Oh, little town. Paunahan na kayo mag-type. Okay. A hamlet is a town, a little town. Oh, fame. Yan din ang sagot ni Jeff kanina. Mali. Okay, try natin uli. Oh, little town. Oh, wala pa rin taga sumasagot. Are you there? 78 viewers. Oh, little town of Bethlehem. Congratulations, Brother Jeff of Feast Dagupan. Yay! Congratulations. You'll have the second book. Okay. Hi, Brother Minen. Hi. How are you and family? Last question. Second to the last question. Second to the last. Third question. Okay. Exuberance directed to the planet. Anong title nun? Yan. Ayan na. Oh. Exuberance directed to the planet. Ayan na. Parang Troy lang yan. Katulog ng Troy. Okay. Ayan na. May nagsa-sign language. Oh. Ayan. Okay. Exuberance directed to the planet. Ano kaya ito? Ayo pose, sabi ni, hi, Brother Menen. Hi, how's Kathy? Okay. Oh, inaano nyo na. I-comment nyo. Baka nasa ibang mga comment section to. Feast Mall of Asia naman to. Okay. Ha? I rest my case, give chance to others. Ano ko muna kasi? Okay. Alright. Baka kasi gusto yung pangatlong package. Pangatlong premyo. Okay. Uy, pwede nyo ipang-gift sa... Congratulations, Sister Nati! Nakakabasa ka ng sign language, no? Hindi ka nakatiis. Okay? Ikaw ang sumagot. Okay, thank you, Sis Nati. So, congratulations. Now to our last question, the Noche Buena package. Sorry, Jan Ginaka, it's not Deck the Halls. Our last question is this. Yuletide in everyone's cardiac organ. Yuletide in everyone's cardiac organ. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. May nagsisenyas na ata. Okay? Brother po naka-wardrobe ng chorus windows. Yes, it is. Ayan. Cardiac organ. Ano bang cardiac organ natin? Congratulations! May nanalo na. Nanalo ka ng Noche Buena package. And our winners for tonight are Sister Fame Umali. Congratulations. Brother Jeffrey Gumapos. Sister Nati Natividad. And for the fourth one, I see, according to our DTI, okay, wala pang binabagit ang ating DTI pero may nanalo na, ha? And the last question is Christmas in our hearts, okay? Christmas in our hearts. Ayan. Okay, so we'll be announcing the winners later. Okay, so what are we looking forward to? Our guests, balik ako kayo. So before we say goodbye to them, because two of these are parents, so baka they need to spend time with their kids na. So unahin ko ng ating mga parents. So Brother Troy, what are you looking forward to 2021?
Ako, as I mentioned, medyo spiritual, but as I read his book, yung Consecration to St. Joseph, it's very practical. Yun. So just looking forward to, actually, I haven't prayed yet. Normally kasi every year, kami ni Clara would always have this planning start of the year. Nandun ako sa moment na parang I just want to reflect and just surprise me. But this is my plan, is to be to know God more. It sounds spiritual platitude, but it means so much to me in a more practical sense. So it's hard to explain, but that's where I'm going. Hindi ko pa siya na-articulate in a way na I could make it something na tangible, doable, but in a grander, super high level, that's where I want to So parang nandun ako sa moment na, Lord, I just want to be close to you. So surprise me. And hopefully at the start of the year, you could give me action points na binigyan naman niya ako at the start of this year. Pero yun, he still surprised me. And because siguro may trauma pa rin ako this year, nandun ako sa mode na I still want to, ayun, ayun, I guess hindi ko pa pwedeng i-share, but ayun, may mga, may mga very tangible parts, but overall, that's where I'm heading. I'm looking forward to yun nga, in consecration to Saint Joseph. Looking forward to next year is the year of Saint Joseph. So what does it mean to me? I don't know, but in my heart, that's what it's telling me. So God surprised me, and yun, that's for me for 2021.
And I believe naman, Brother Troy, in the greater scheme of God's, in the God's greater scheme of things, He will give you the answer din naman. Okay, thank you, Brother Troy, for sharing. Okay, Sister Liza, how about you? What would 2021 would look like for you?
I am looking at the possibilities and the probabilities of 2021.
Next month, okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
Hindi ko titingnan yung what if. I will look at what will for 2021.
Okay. And of
Yun.
Yes.
Yun lang naman.
Let's look forward to that with what will, okay, and also in the eyes of God's will. Ganun siya.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sis Beng, kumusta na, what would your 2021 look like naman?
For 2021, I'm just really hoping that, I know we cannot go back to normal, but I'm just really hoping that, I mean, kahit pa paano we can, alam mo yun, yung we can hug, or para, di ba pa nakikita tayo ngayon, di ba, para lagi pa rin we have to observe social distancing and all, and I'm just really hoping and praying na na parang pag nakalabas na tayo in 2021, we can parang freely hug or touch parang mga tao na matagal nating hindi nakita mula nung nag-pandemic. Alam mo, isa sa realization ko nung yung passing ni tatay was, di ba parang if you don't want to see a person, kaya may taong hindi ka gusto makita, ang dali lang yung pwede mong gawin. Huwag mo na siya puntahan, di ba? Hindi mo na siya makikita. But kapag nawala na yon, nawala na itong taong to, parang you can do everything but you cannot see him anymore. Parang that's the sad part of losing someone. But we've already thought that, alam mo yun, yung parang let us value the time that we have with our family and everyone. But this pandemic taught me na I have to embrace that yung to really value the relationship that I have. And in 2021, I'm really looking forward that what we have, parang we had before pandemic, alam mo yun, we can go out again, we can have dinner freely, have coffee with our family, friends, kasi even our family, hindi na rin natin mapuntahan, di ba, because of the pandemic. And yun lang, I'm really looking forward na yung relationship that we have before pandemic, ma-experience natin siya ulit. The hug, I mean, sobrang lang, yung parang yung time lang together. Kasi di ba, yung parang, I'll see you guys online, but it's really different pa din Pag nakikita, di ba, nakita tayo before, parang iba pa din pag nakita pala tayo, yung real presence. I really looking forward for that in 2021. The real presence of the person that I really value and the person that I love. Yun lang. Thank you.
Yeah. Parang ganun din sa misa, no? Parang iba rin talaga yung sacramental presence. Sa virtual presence din lang. Ibang-iba talaga. Okay, thank you, Sis Beng. Thank you for that. And of course, for Brother Didoy, I mean, what would 2021 would look like for you personally, and of course, Minister President for the Feast Mall of Asia?
That's a long talk to give, or at least share.
Okay. So thank you, everyone.
daming plans and hopes and dreams. But simple lang ang ending ko, looking forward to 2021. I wish that there would be hope in every heart and every home. Once we cling on to hope, the hope that does not disappoint, I think we're gonna be not just okay, we're gonna be great. Hang on to hope. I speak this to every single heart and home who are tuning in tonight, and really sincerely wishing that we would have hope for the best, for the future, for families, for businesses or careers. Um, hope, hope that will not disappoint. Hope in every heart and every home. Thank you.
Thank you, Brother Didoy. It's also our hope then that you'll also have more hope in your home as well. Okay, and of course, our spiritual home, the Mall of Asia. Thank you,
Thank
Brother Didoy. Can you please send heart comments there on the comment section to show our appreciation to our guests, Sister Bang, Sister Liza, Brother Troy, and of course, Brother Didoy. Thank you so much. Thank you for inspiring us. Thank you. All right. So we'll just you know what? We had 6 shows here, the Fanalo Mondays, and let me tell you, everything was really fun. At I'm natatakot ako that we might not add value, but tonight it's really value adding, and thanks to our guests for tonight. So to add more value to our night, so we would like to invite you at the events, the come in the incoming events of the Feast at Home Bay Area. So first, we would like to invite you to the Travel Light New Year special this December 31 at 7 p.m. Ayan. So ibang-iba ang ano na, 'di ba, ng pandemic natin na dati, no, wala tayong Christmas feast, wala tayong New Year feast, tapos pinauso ng Feast Mall of Asia ang Christmas feast saka ang New Year feast. Ngayon naman meron tayong Holy Family feast, meron tayong Christmas feast, at this time a New Year feast. Kaya na. So the theme is Travel Light, the Feast at Home Bay Area New Year's Eve special on December 31 at 7 p.m. So please join us virtually, and together maramdaman natin ang hope in our homes, the hope that doesn't disappoint. Okay, next. Okay, so you continue please to show up to continuously show your love for the feast at Home Bay Area District. Send your tithes and love offering to this Union Bank account that you see here. And please check all the details. Screenshot your screen sa para hindi kayo magkamali. For other banks like BDO, BPI, or GCash, send a message to the Feast Mall of Asia page, and we will give you the information that you need for sending your love offering. Please, we ask you to send your deposit slip or a screenshot of your online deposit, your fund transfer, para po ma-verify namin that it really came from you at na-receive po namin siya as our way of thanking you. And next, okay, we would also like to invite to our other programs. So every Monday is the Singles Gathering in God. So represented by by the pictures, lovely pictures here of Sister Erica and Brother Dave. And of course, every Tuesday naman is Better Together, a couples gig naman with Sis Reza Custodio Soriano as the host. After party naman with the youth, with Tony Valenzuela. And of course, there's a liturgical biblical study and lecture divina with Father Bob McConaughey na nasa US ngayon pero dumajoin pa rin sa atin, and Father Michael Laguardia SDB. And every Friday naman, let's have TGIF, Tonight God is First, with Brother Adrian Panganiban. And every Saturday, let's have Fast Talk, Father and Son Talk, with Brother Alvin and his son, Brother Ayo Barcelona. And of course, we would still like to keep in touch with you. So, but every Sunday naman we have the following feast online schedules. We have 8 a.m. and 10:15 a.m. And we have Tagli sessions also at 8 a.m., Tagli sessions at 4 p.m. And every Friday we have also sessions at 5:30 p.m. So have a screenshot of what you see on screen, and para matandaan nyo palagi ito. Lastly, we still keep our communication lines open, so you may keep in touch with us using the Facebook page, The Feast Mall of Asia, our Instagram at The Feast Mall of Asia. You may also text us at 0989863662 or 0998-CHRIST in FMOA, or email us at the info@thefeastmallofasia.com. So tonight has been very memorable. It has been very fruitful to and of course, I'm very thankful for our guests. And if there's one thing you should be feeling right now as 2020 ends, you must always have that heart full of gratitude and a heart full of hope. So thank you everyone for joining us every Monday here at the Singles Gig, and we are looking forward to a better programming with you in 2021. See you everyone. God bless. Happy New Year to our viewers there. Happy New Year. Thank you, thank you, thank you.